Iowa is on the verge of becoming one of the most restrictive states in the country in regards to abortion. Here at the Iowa legislature, officials continue to debate the fetal heartbeat bill. It's still uncertain when officials will reach a decision on abortion accessibility across the state, but for now, any outcome seems possible. The bill would outlaw nearly all abortions after a fetal heartbeat can be detected, which is usually around 6 weeks of gestation, with the only exception being if the mother's life is in danger.
We define death when the heartbeat stops. We surely could define life when that heartbeat begins.
While Republicans say they are protecting the life of an unborn child with a beating heart, Democrats say the bill is dangerous for Iowa women.
If you don't have the choice here, you're likely to try to find it somewhere else, probably in a less safe setting. I'm not sure that this actually achieves the goal of less abortions.
The bill passed through the Senate in February, but to keep it alive in the House, it was amended onto another bill restricting the sale of fetal tissue. Now, House Republicans say they are optimistic that the bill will pass.
But I think this is something that we can actually do at this point. Our governor has said that she would sign it, so it really just hinges on a couple of votes in the House at this point.
Reporting from the Iowa State House, this is Kaylin Cluck, DITV News.